Hi everyone, I hope you're all staying safe right now. So I'm just going to review about rounding decimals. I couldn't really find a video that would help you guys, so you're just gonna have to listen to my voice. I'm sure you all miss me. So anyway, so I just put some notes here. So numbers below 4, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, we don't let it grow. Or we can just say keep it the same. I just know you guys remember it by 4 below, don't let it grow. 5 or above, you give it a shove. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, you give it a shove, meaning you move it up one number. So let's do an example here. So our example is 4 and 859 thousandths. When we're rounding to the nearest whole number, we've learned, guys, that that's really just the nearest ones place. So let's rewrite the number. So 4 and 859 thousandths, right? Okay, so we circle this whole number, which is our 4. We circle the ones place. And we're going to look at its next door neighbor. That next door neighbor is an 8. So we look up at our notes. Well, it's above 5, so we give it a shove. So instead of a 4, we're going to actually round this to 5. Now, this is, you guys know it's about, right? It's not equal. These two are not equal, but it's really close to 5. This is what this little symbol means, okay? So now let's go to rounding to the nearest tenth. So what I recommend is you just keep rewriting the number just so we can circle the place value that we're working with. This is exactly what you're going to do on your assignment. That's the reason why I'm doing this. So now we circle the tenths place. Remember, the tenths place is the first number after that place value. So it's this 8, okay? So now we always look to the right of the next door neighbor, which is a 5. Now you can reference our notes. Am I going to give it a shove or am I not going to let it grow? Well, I'm going to give it a shove because it's my 5 or above. So now we have 4 and 9 tenths. So if I rounded to the nearest tenth, it would be 4 and 9 tenths. Now let's move on to the nearest hundredths place. Same step. Let's rewrite this. 4 and 859 thousandths. Okay, so now we circle the hundredths because that's what we're rounding to. So the hundredths is this 5. Okay, now our next door neighbor is a 9. Now, we can obviously know that's the highest number, so we're obviously going to give it a shove. So the 5 is going to become a 6. So we have 4 and 86 hundredths, okay? Now, last one. This one's a little more challenging. You might ask why. Well, why? Because you're gonna, oh gosh, my handwriting needs some work, guys. I need to go back to school. So anyway, the reason why it's a little more challenging is because when we circle this 9 here, some of you are gonna say, well, miss, oh gosh, miss, there's no number next to it. Yeah, that's correct. So we can pretend there's a 0 there. So if there's a 0, it's obviously below 4. So we're not gonna let it grow. So if you think it's going to stay the same, yeah, the number is going to stay the exact same. So it's going to be 4 and 859 thousandths. So I'm going to just keep this up here for a little bit so you guys can copy it down if you'd like. If you have any questions, feel free to just comment below and I can help you guys out. Hope you guys are all doing well. Miss you guys. Stay safe.